As we know that today we have gathered here to celebrate our 9th annual day and first graduation day. So before that I will call Kalyani teacher for welcome.
Good evening everyone, myself Kalyani. Welcome you all to the annual day of Sri Darpan School. I take this opportunity to welcome our honorable chief guest, Sri Darpan School Director Sri Antam Sridhar Reddy Garu, our special guest actor Sri Kartikeya Garu, President of Venugopal Nagar Sri Himanshu Shekhar Sahu Garu, and classical dancer Srimati Jayanti Garu. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you for enhancing the ambience with your presence. A heartfelt thank you to all the parents for being here in this beautiful evening. Your support and presence means a lot for us. We are very grateful to our Honorable Chairman and Principal Srimati Antam Sunita Reddy Garu, who's encouraging, supporting and helping us lot to achieve our milestones. Special thanks to our Principal Madam for organizing this fantastic event. Sri Darpan School always aims to develop the creativity and talent of the children. With this aim in our mind, we are presenting annual day function showcasing around 100 children of class nursery to 5th standard. It has been a fantastic year for us, especially our bright young talented children. It is a pleasant evening where we all soaked in the celebration mood. A big thanks to each and everyone present here for providing this spirit of togetherness. Let's celebrate together and make unforgettable memories in this pleasant evening. Now I would like to call upon Priya teacher to continue the program. Thank you all.
Now the time has arrived to add some dignity and fragrance to our dais. It is the time to invite our honorable leaders to occupy their respect place here on the dais. I invite our honorable Sri Antam Sridhar Sir, Director of Sri Darpan School, to come on the dais. And also I invite Srimati Sunita Madam to come on the dais. Please ma'am and sir, please be Sri Darpan School teacher. I request Sri Darpan School teachers, Divya teacher, Kalyani teacher, Neeta teacher, Roja teacher, please come on the dais and please honor Sridhar sir with shawl and bouquet. Please give them a big round of applause. Program, we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. Brightness and prosperity are the symbols of light. It is a positive force that removes darkness. Light is the divinity of light. It shows the right direction of light. With this holy thought, let us begin this evening by lighting the lamp before Goddess Saraswati. With this noble saying, I take the privilege of requesting our honorable dignities Sridhar sir and respected principal ma'am Antam Sunita ma'am to come.
Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishthavamadevaadivandita Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami.
Madam and Sridhar sir for lighting the lamp. Please be seated. To the mind. Flight to the imagination and charm and gaiety of life and to everything. To begin this auspicious event, here comes Nishika from second class. She She's gonna sing a welcome song on Vakratunda.
song. Vakratunda, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. The second song is Om Bhurvahasvaha. Om Bhurvahasvaha, Tasya Vidurvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodaya.
This celebration is as much yours as it is ours. Now, without any further ado, let's create an environment of rhythm, grace, and harmony. Please put your hands together as I invite our gifted and talented teachers, Divya teacher, Neeta teacher, Kalyani teacher, Roja teacher, and myself, Priya teacher, to come on the dais for welcome.
Hey, mama, come and sing. Queen Teddy, bandang king. Daila, pipi dume. Mala mati podering. Golden sparrow, your nentila arrow. Nila dalek, your rumba sorrow. Master of sorrow, namakayanda hero. Singing duet, very haro. Hey,
Thank you so much. Now, next program, with great pleasure, I introduce our principal ma'am who will address us with the annual report. Our principal is a true leader and innovator, as we are honored to have her with us today to deliver an annual report and speech that will inspire us all. Please help me welcome her to stage with a huge round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. Dear invited dignitaries, phenomenal parents, my dear teachers and Darpan School children. A very pleasant evening to you all. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to all my 9th annual day celebrations. Once and again, I express my gratitude to honor you all for making it a priority and coming to our annual day function. Let me introduce myself. I am Antam Sunita, Principal of Sri Darpan School located at Sri Venugopal Nagar. Darpan was started at March 6, 2015 and has successfully completed 9 years. I started this school with a small vision and proud to tell you that as now we have 100 plus students. What does Darpan means? Well, It means we want to help kids to see themselves clearly, just like a mirror. We want to show their potential growth and future in the mirror. What makes Darpan special is our way of teaching, affordable fee structure, and treating every child equally, no matter who they are. Not only academics, we instill moral values and ethics and child's overall development. None of this would be possible without support of our parents and dedicated staff. We hope to go up to 10th standard in next few years and help more kids to reach their goals. Once again, thank you for all being part of our Darpan family. Our academic year started June 12, 2024. First day children came along with the parents. We started zeal and enthusiasm, our academic celebrations. Being with Father Day, children gave them greeting cards made by the school to show their gratitude towards the parents. We celebrated our national days like Independence Day, International Yoga Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrated Teachers Day. Children showed their respect towards the teachers on 5th September and also celebrated Children's Day on 14th November. We conducted different games and cultural activities, Children's Day special. We conducted science fair in our school, given project to children accordingly their syllabus. Every child came to school with project, demonstrated their project film. And also our school conducted field trip, Srinidhi Resort. Children had a fun, eating, playing games, rain dance, swimming and etc. This our school conducted all the celebrations in this throughout the year. I hope you all remember this beautiful journey. We had fun with all color days like green, yellow, blue, orange, pink and white days. And we celebrated all festivals no matter what religion they were. So we celebrated like Ramjan, Christmas, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Batukama, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas and Sankranti. These were just some of the many celebrations and activities we had throughout the year. I hope you will remember these memories forever. So we promise to continue shining the light on children's potential. Without further ado, let's commence the program. I hope you all enjoy this evening with our children's beautiful performance. Thank you all.
in your times in the kindergarten. You have learned ABC, 1, 2, 3, painted beautiful pictures, told wonderful stories and discovered the journey of learning. Each of you has worked so hard as we are all proud of you. As you move on to the next step of your journey into next class, remember that our teachers will always guide and support you, just as we have done. I would also like to thank all the parents for your trust and support on us. Congratulations once again to our little graduates. We wish you a bright and successful future go ahead. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Please give them a huge round of applause. Let's start with prayer to thank God for the wonderful. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is excited to enjoy the phantoms of music and dance. So finally the most awaited moment has come. It's time to start the cultural event and hope you all will enjoy and have good member as guests. Today I want you all to promote to cap in audience. What is the meaning of dance? Dance is the loveliest of all the art because it gives us the slightest excuse, feel and be completely beautiful. Now it's time to watch cute and chubby dance steps of our very adorable kids of nursery. Now I would like to call upon our little champs, nursery boys and girls on the dais. They are going to present us a group dance. Let us welcome these wonderful little tiny tots on the dais. We welcome our participants, Adya, Darshika, Devansh, Danush Reddy, Jayshrita, Kevin Matthew, Ketan Kumar,
चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कंधा चो चींटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कंधा चो चींटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो इतना मुश्किल लगेगा ना जरा बाकी देखो ना चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कंधा चो चींटी
மாத்தி போடுறீங்க கோல்டன் ஸ்பாரோ என் நெஞ்சில ஆரோ நீ இல்லாத லைஃப் ரொம்ப சோரோ மாஸ்டா சோரோ நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் டூயட் வேற யாரோ
Mokshita, Janvi, Shritika Reddy, Vanshika, Priyanshi, Dakshasvi, Prinsika, Himanshu, G. Shreyansh Reddy.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साका हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता वो तो बारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टियां दे है देखदा परादा नहीं हो देखदा परादा फिक्र तो लगदी लकीनो एक बारी दस दो जी ने क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मार जानी ते पास तो पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो तेनू क्यों ना देखा हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 आओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता उत्त बारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुटियार ने है देखदा परादा नहीं हो देखदा फिक्र तो लगती लतीनो एक बारी दस दो जी ने क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मार जानी है तेरे पास तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे तो की सिखा तेरे दिल की लिखा हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Sri Antam Sridhar Sir Garu to come on the dais to honor the nursery children with merit certificates and Miss and Srimati Sunita Antam ma'am. For graduation day we have UKG dance. Please come on the dais and accept the merit certificate. Adya parents. Adya, she is very intelligent, she is very smart, she is very... Darshika parents, be ready. Anything happens, she will be ready for doing anything. She is very brave in the class. Please give her a big round of applause. Appreciation words for Devansh is that he participate in. You can see smile. You can see always smile on his face. Please give him a Danush Reddy. Danush, he is very intelligent. He is very brave, smart, active, and always smile on his face. Master Ketan Kumar to please come on the dais and accept the medal certificate. Ketan Kumar. Parents of Miss Carey to please come on the dais and accept the medal certificate and participate in all the activities. I request parents of Miss Nainika to please come on the dais and accept the medal certificate. I request parents of Miss Priyansh dais and accept the Samriti. I request parents of Miss Shivanshi Samriti to please. I request parents of Harnika. After nursery graduation day, I'm very happy to see you. Give a big applause, please, parent. Congratulations.
You're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart, I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. The world to know I'm happy as
First prize goes to Shivanya in running race.
afraid to think that you thought you
Shivanshi Samriti.
that I was only fooling myself and think you loved me. But since tonight you said
Second prize goes to Priyanshi.
about me, that round about me, you wanted to stay. Congratulations.
Third prize goes to Danush.
When I tell everyone that you're
Congratulations, winner.
congratulations and jubilation.
Please give them a big round of applause.
World to know I'm happy as can be. could be happy and contented. For I met you when I let you walk into my heart. And celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Tempted, I used to think that happiness hadn't been enough. Congratulations and celebration. I want the
మైక్ పట్టుకొని ఒక 2 ముక్కలు మాట్లాడమంటే తీసుకురా. ఎంతసేపు లైక్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇలా ఒక స్కూల్ ఫంక్షన్కి గెస్ట్లా వచ్చా, కొంచెం నర్వస్నెస్ ఉంది. పిల్లలందరినీ చూస్తున్నా వెనకాలకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ కూర్చొని గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ లాగా అవన్నీ టోపీలు ఇంకా అవన్నీ డ్రెస్లు వేసుకొని కూర్చున్నారు. లైక్ మస్తు అనిపించింది. మీ పిల్లలందరూ ఇంకా ఇంకా అల్లరి చేస్తూ మా అంకుల్ని అండ్ ఆంటీని ఇంకా బాగా సతాయించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నా. శ్రీధర్ అంకుల్ని అండ్ సునీత ఆంటీని. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు బీ హియర్. ఇలా పేరెంట్స్ ముందు మీ అందరి ముందు నేను ఒక పిల్లోని అనుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. చూడని వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడే అంటే ఈరోజు ఇక ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అయిపోయినాక బుక్ చేసుకొని థియేటర్స్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. మిమ్మల్ని మంచిగా డబ్బులుగా నవ్విస్తాము అండ్ డబ్బులుగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసేలా చూస్తాము. చూసారనుకుంటున్నాం మరి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.